Haven't mentioned it to anyone, but I've been waiting a while for them to show up, but they're here and I can't wait to do an unboxing. I'm so excited. And all the kitties are excited because Luke throws a fit when the UPS guy comes. So it was a big announcement. Today I have for you a super mystery surprise unboxing. It is kind of exciting. I'm a little excited. Okay, it's been a mystery project that I haven't told anybody about because I was waiting for it to come to fruition, and now that I have the items, I can talk about it. So I am going to say, just like I probably said in the title, it is not yarn, it is not hooks, it is definitely something you will not see on another craft channel. I'm pretty sure about that, okay? All right, let's do it. Let's open it. Is it good? Now this gives you a kind of a hint of like how tall this box is. It's pretty big. You know, what can you do? You got them, you got them. I don't know. Here we go. Oh, you can see the address because I want it to be a surprise. Don't look at that part. Here we go. Here it is. Oh, can you read it? Now you can see what it is. And, oh wait, here we go. Blind pirate. Oh, they're like pre-filled. Ta-da! Check it out. Let's just say that I am the world's foremost published beer can hat designer. You didn't know that was a thing, but here I am. They're now the cornerstone of my new channel, and I will never run out of beer can stuff to make, ever, ever, ever. These are all beer cans from the Monday Night Brewing Company, which is based out of Atlanta, Georgia. Oh my gosh, all the artwork looks this cool. I'm gonna keep opening so I can show you all of them because it's really, really cool. I have two designs that are brand new for these, okay? That is one that is kind of familiar, but a little different take on it. And then another one that is totally brand new. I don't even know if I can do it, so. Look at! Okay, what's this next one? Can you even see? This is so cool. Now, you're probably wondering, what? They're empty, what the hell? I know, I kind of thought the same thing. But there is a box of full beer as well, so I'm pretty excited about that. And look, these are totally clean and new. I don't have to clean them or anything, or worry about it. Look at this one, space lettuce. Pretty cool. These are great. They're all tonal like this. What's this one? Death Raptor. Death Raptor. Killer IPA. Isn't it cool? I think any hat would look really cool with these. Now you have to be in the Southeast. These are based, I don't know if I said this already, they're based out of Atlanta, Georgia. This is like pretty much as far as I can get from a brewery because I live in the Pacific Northwest. And we have a lot of good beer here, but this is not one I would ever get to try. So I'm super excited. I don't know. I like to do things I've never done. I like to try things I've never tried. I'm going to make some hats I never made with some people I never met at a brewery I'll probably never get to go to. Now, Monday Night Brewing Company has like five different breweries, like brew pub type places, tap rooms, right? In multiple states in the Southeast. So if you're from that area, you've probably heard of them. If you have, let me know. Because they seem pretty cool, I gotta say. They seem pretty cool. They're kind of like, have a good sense of humor, obviously. They hit me up to make some, oh, this is, okay, different ones. Dr. Robot. I love the names of these. Aren't they great? Dr. Robot. Has robots on it. Oh, this one's good too. Slap Fight, which is this the California one? Do we have slap fights in California? West Coast IPA, because you know we're all about the slap fights here. I'll slap you. I don't give a shit. I'm making them hats, and they sent me the cans, and this is gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so keep an eye out for those new hat designs. Hey, you know what? A girl's got to keep busy, right? Am I wrong? Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, bye. I'll see you in the next one. Ooh. Oh, nice.